this is Winnie's Design Pocket channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to use 3 steps to replace sky background. If you are first time to see my channel, please hit the subscribe button and follow me. I will teach you a lot of easy way to make your image looks unique. So here is what you need to do. Step 1. Open the image you want to replacement the sky color. Step 2. Choose the editing and the sky replacement. And you will see the windows open. Here have a lot of image you can choose, and you also can do a lot of adjustments like the soft edge, fade edge, and you can make your image more blend in the background. The step 3 is the final step. If the image you don't like it from the system, you also can download someone you like. Like here, I already download from the website the night sky and with a lot of stuff. So here I only need to choose the image I like, import it, and see it's very easy. Here you go, you already got the image background replacement.